Text-to-speech applications are being used everywhere. From TikTok to Spotify, AI voice generators are where it's at. Hey, even our videos use text-to-speech. ElevenLabs is one of those tools, and it does an amazing job, no doubt. But it's not the only option, and some of the other applications are most definitely worth considering. So if you're looking for the best alternative to ElevenLabs, we've done all the heavy lifting, spent hours researching the available options, and come up with the best AI tools for the job. And if you're a content creator, gamer, or you just like goofing around, you're in the right place. Lovo AI, also known as Jenny, is a freemium tool able to generate pretty realistic voices. Check this out.
Hello, this is a beautiful AI rendition of an original painting by Van Gogh. It's awesome what AI can do.
It's been used by giant companies like Forbes, LG, the BBC, and many more. Their basic plan currently starts at $19 a month, which gives you hyper-realistic pro voices, 2 hours of voice generation per month, cloning of up to 5 voices, watermark removal, commercial rights, and a whole bunch of other options. This is actually above and beyond ElevenLabs, where you get 2 hours of voice for $22 a month. Both of these text-to-speech tools have free options too, where ElevenLabs offer the cloning of 3 voices and Lovo allows for 5. In terms of its features, Lovo AI includes text-to-speech and voice cloning, same as ElevenLabs. However, with Lovo, you also get an online video editor, AI writer, and AI art generator. That's why Lovo is a perfect alternative to ElevenLabs, especially for content creators. You can start by generating an AI script, use it to generate the voiceover, then create your AI artwork, and finally use Lovo's video editor. The only job you'll have is to upload and repeat. Hey presto, passive income on its way. Let's break it down. In order to get started with Lovo AI, make an account. It'll ask you for your occupation and what sort of content you'll be creating. Then you'll get a pop-up offering 2 modes. Simple, where you generate voices, or advance, to make a fully fledged AI video. Click on Start Project and choose which mode you want. Starting with simple, type or paste your text in the text box and select a voice from the drop-down menu. Sophia is the default selection, but you can choose any other voice from their huge library. In the voice library, there are pro voices, which are paid options. But you can also click on Rapid Voices to get free options. They also have global voices, like Indian, Tamil, Arabic, and all kinds of options. Something for everyone. Then there's voice cloning, where you upload audio samples to create a clone of any voice, or record your own voice as a sample. You can preview voices by clicking on the play button next to them. Then adjust the voice settings and click on Generate to create your audio file. You can even use the pronunciation tab to edit how certain words or phrases are pronounced. This is next level tech right here, folks. Then you can edit this audio output by using any video editor that allows you to add images, videos, transitions, subtitles, and more. Or you can keep that job in-house and use Lovo's advanced mode instead. In advanced mode, you can clone your voice or choose a pre-made one. They even have resources where you upload your own media or select royalty-free images, audio, and videos from Pixabay. Alternatively, you can use their AI generator. It doesn't end there. Lovo just keeps on giving. Its next feature is subtitles, and if you're a content creator, you'll know that adding subtitles to videos really helps with viewer retention. With this feature, you can generate auto subtitles within a few seconds. As if all that wasn't enough, there's AI Writer that can generate YouTube videos, presentations, podcasts, advertisements, or explainer videos. Finally, there's AI Artist. Just type in a prompt, choose a style, and click on Create. Simple. So, to make a complete video from scratch, start in AI Writer and write a script. Then use that to generate a voice using the character of your choice. Then generate AI art using AI Artist, or use images and videos from the resource section to add visuals. Combine everything together and edit. Lastly, add the subtitles and export your video. That's why Lovo AI is not only comparable to ElevenLabs, but some might say a step ahead of the game. Murf AI, just like ElevenLabs, can clone any voice. It's great with text-to-speech and provides commercial usage rights. But what makes it different, and perhaps even better, are features like its voice over video and Google Slides add-on. Before we get into it, quick ask. Please subscribe and leave us a comment. We'd love to know what you think of Cooper, our host with the most from coast to coast. As for the pricing, the free version of Murf AI gets you 10 minutes of voice generation, 10 minutes of transcription, and access to more than 120 voices. And their basic plan currently costs around $19 a month, giving you 24 hours of voice per year and access to 10 languages. To generate a voice, you'll need to enter your text. You'll also need to select a voice from a bunch of options. Hide Pro Voices if you only want the free option. Select the tone, pitch, and speech level. You can even add pauses if you want to, then click on the play button at the bottom to listen to the preview. On the right side, you'll find an option for importing a script, which can then be converted into AI voice synthesis. You'll also have an option for voice changer. The coolest part of Murf is that you can add images and videos for voice over video purposes. You'll find that feature in the Add Media section on the left bar. If you don't want to sign up for whatever reason, then just use Murf AI on Canva. To do that, you'll need to start a project in Canva and go to Apps. Type Murf AI in the search bar. Open it and connect your account, and then play around with its features. Similarly, you can get an add-on of Murf AI on Google Slides. Next in line is Speechify, which has the standard voice cloning and text-to-speech features. In addition, it has features like AI dubbing and AI video generator, which straight up sets it apart from ElevenLabs. As for its pricing plans, the free version comes with AI voiceover and dubbing options, 10 minutes of voice generation, and video and image support. But if you upgrade to the basic plan, it'll currently cost $24 a month. The basic plan comes with unlimited downloads, access to over 200 voices, 50 hours of voice generation, 12 hours of translation, and a bunch of other cool options. To test it out, just make an account, click on New, and open Create Professional Voiceover. So to create your voiceover, just enter your text in the box, then select any voice, the required speed, and add any pauses. Or you can import your script in the form of a TXT or docx file. And what really sets it apart from the rest, it's available online or as a Chrome extension or via Apple and iPad app, Android, and even Mac.